Lovelies, good morning. So I'll be making plantain porridge this morning. I will go ahead and prep all my ingredients for this recipe. The way I'm going to cut my unripe plantain is different from the way I'm going to cut my ripe because I want my unripe to be fully cooked. So for this recipe, I'll make use of shombo, tomato and pepper. I also make use of ugu leaf, which is pumpkin leaf. And at this point, all my ingredients were fully prepped. So let's start the main cooking. In my clean pot, I'm going to go in with my red oil, my onions, and then my pepper mix. And I'll give this a good stir. So at this point, I'm going to add my crayfish, my seasoning cube, and my salt to taste. So once my pepper mix is fully cooked, I will then go in with my unripe plantain first and then add some water and cover this up to cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So at this point, I checked my unripe plantain and it was cooked and soft. And then my smoked fish, and then cover this up just to cook a little bit before adding my ugu leaf. And at this point, our food is almost ready. Thank you very much, and if you've watched this video to this point, it means you love this recipe. Please follow me for more, and also like, share my video, comment. Thank you very much for your usual support. I really appreciate you guys. Love you so much. Thank you, and see you next in my next video. Bye.